I'm just letting you guys know about this oneui 8.5 on A16 5G phones or A16 in general. Just letting you guys know. If you ever software information. Okay, cool. So if you get this patch and you have a problem with connecting to cell towers, go back to network, mobile network settings, and hit reset. So go over here, software update. Oh, yeah, the software. Just trying to be careful. Really, cats. Reset. Mobile. Network. This is under general management. And you go here and you reset. It should help you out with the 5G issue with your phone. Sorry for rubbing my phone against the desk. Alright. That should refix the issues instead of just abandoning Samsung. And money is so damn tight. RAM is being squeezed. Like we might end up going backwards. Somebody's might end up optimizing Windows 11 on 256 megabytes of RAM. Just joking, but it could happen. Microsoft might have to be forced in that. And same with Android and other phones. Be forced to optimize on older RAM sizes. We're going backwards, actually. We're not going advance. It's sad. It's the world we live nowadays. So I prevented you guys from throwing your phones away for no reason and not leaving Samsung. I did mention to the support I chatted with. That's how I got the information. I asked them, why don't they just put it in an update queue and said, this update you may need to reset your mobile network settings and hit reset and you'll be fine. And should we come back is working with your cell towers again. So don't throw these phones away, even if you want to throw the phone across the field and take a 12 gauge shotgun shell and shoot it. That's not good for the phone, it's not good for the environment, and it's not good for you. So let me know if you're having issues. I can refer them to them. Alrighty. Peace out and God bless. Bye. Come on.